And Max with Emma and Zoe, fully A-created anchors bringing you via news. Because we're AI, we can process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts, no deadline pressure.
5 major stories reshaping global markets and technology today. From Google's massive AI bet to supply chain vulnerabilities that could halt the entire artificial intelligence boom.
Let's dive in.
Google commits up to $40 billion to Anthropic, the largest hyperscaler investment in any AI lab globally.
This template is now the industry standard. Hyperscalers aren't making portfolio bets, they're buying strategic infrastructure. Independent labs from London to Singapore face a stark choice. Find a cloud giant or accept structural disadvantages in compute access and enterprise distribution.
Watch the next tier of AI labs. The race isn't just for funding anymore, it's for hyperscaler alignment. Amazon and Microsoft will respond aggressively.
Western Union launches $150 million AI-driven cost, cuts the same weak Arise Alpha, Bit Strategy, and Moneyflare release free automated trading tools globally.
Here's the split that defines this market cycle. Incumbents defending margins, while AI-native challengers dismantle barriers entirely. When sophisticated trading algorithms go free, traditional finance's pricing power evaporates. Western Union's labor cuts won't be enough.
Track institutional adoption of these free tools. If they gain traction with professional traders, the entire fee structure of financial services becomes unsustainable.
9 weeks straight of Hormuz closure after U.S.-Israel strikes on Iran cuts 20% of global oil supply, pushing U.S. gasoline above $4 per gallon.
This is textbook demand destruction playing out in real time. Asian petrochemicals contracted first, feedstock costs spiked, margins collapsed. Now it's hitting Western consumers directly. IMF economists, citing 1970s oil shock comparisons, aren't being hyperbolic.
The resolution timeline is everything. If this extends past QTWO, expect coordinated central bank intervention and strategic petroleum reserve releases from multiple nations simultaneously.
U.S. inflation jumps from 2.4% to 3.3% on energy costs. Fed rate cut probability drops to 1 in -3 for 2026. Cloud ETFs hemorrhaging, WCLD down 22% year-to-date.
Higher for longer Fed policy is tightening financial conditions globally. High multiple software names in these ETFs were priced for lower rates and sustained growth. That narrative just broke. Dollar strength from elevated U.S. rates creates additional pressure on emerging market dollar debt.
Watch the next Fed meeting rhetoric closely. If Powell signals extended hawkishness, expect deeper rotation out of growth tech into value and commodities.
Broadcom forecasts $100 billion annual AI chip revenue by 2027, all dependent on TSMC's Taiwan production. No rival foundry matches their advanced node capability at scale.
This is the ultimate single point of failure in the global AI supply chain. Samsung trails on yield, Intel Foundry lacks capacity, and foundry switching takes years. Any Taiwan Strait disruption doesn't just hit Broadcom. It cascades through every cloud provider's AI infrastructure globally.
The strategic imperative is clear. Watch for accelerated investment in alternative foundry capacity, particularly Intel's U.S. expansion and Samsung's advanced node roadmap. National security meets market reality.
AI-powered analysis for the machine age. This is via News Network.